Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Discord not opening on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PCs. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. First of all, you need to make sure that time and date is correct on your PC. For that, look at the bottom right side of the screen. If it's correct, ignore and move forward to the next step. If it's incorrect, then right click on the date and time and select adjust date and time. In this setting page, make sure right time zone and region is selected. If not, then set the right time and then head over to the additional setting section and click sync button to sync the date and time between Microsoft Server and PC. After doing this, check if Discord is opening or not. If this fails, try next solution. Make sure Discord is not running in the background. For that, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager, or you can use Ctrl Shift plus Escape keys at the same time to open the Task Manager. Here locate Discord app like this, or use the search feature and type Discord, and when it appears in the results, right click and select End Task. After that, click on the search icon and type Run. When it appears in the results, click to open it. In the Run dialog box, type %app data % and click OK. This will open the roaming folder. Locate the Discord folder, right click on it and select Delete. After doing this, search Discord and open it, and this should fix the issue. While opening, it is possible that Discord app try to use Discord web to log into application, so if it asks for any permission, give it. Or it's possible that you will be provided with login screen, enter the credentials to login. If this also fails, try next solution. Click on the start button and select settings. In the settings, switch to apps on the left and then on the right side, select installed app, search Discord, and when it appears, click on the three dots next to it and select uninstall. After Discord is uninstalled, open browser and visit discord.com/download. On this page, click on the download for Windows button. This will download the Discord setup file. Head over to the download location and run the setup file. It's gonna take few minutes for finalizing the installation, and then Discord should open. If this also fails, then it's possible that Discord server is down or there is some internal issue from the company end. In this situation, visit discord.com and use the Discord web version. Click on the login, enter the credentials, and you are good to go. So these are possible solutions to fix Discord not opening on PC. I hope this helps. If you have any query related to this video, drop in the comments. Thanks for watching.